good morning to all. I hope you are doing great. I am also good. Very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Reena and I am so happy to have you here. In today's video, we are going to talk about this topic: industrial relations, disputes and grievance management, and labor welfare and social security. So let's understand these topics thoroughly one by one. First, we have this topic: industrial relations. So, let's understand this topic thoroughly. Basically, industrial relations refer to the relationship between the four parties. First, we have employers, second, we have employees, third, we have trade unions, and fourth, we have government. So, relationship between the four parties, that we call it industrial relations. It focused on maintaining a peaceful and productive work environment while ensuring fair treatment of workers. Key aspects of industrial relations are three. First, we have employment laws and policies. Second one, we have conflict resolution. Apart from that, we have role of trade unions. So basically, in case of employment laws and policies, there should be regulations governing workplace conditions. And in case of conflict resolution, we are addressing the dispute between the workers and management. And in case of role of trade unions, basically trade union representing the employees' interest and negotiating for better conditions. So let's understand the second topic: industrial disputes and grievance management. In case of industrial dispute arises when there is a disagreement between the two parties. First we have party employers and second we have employees. Regarding employment terms, working condition, wages and other workplace issues. So these are the types of industrial dispute. First we have interest dispute, secondly we have rights dispute, third we have individual disputes, and fourth we have collective disputes. So these are the types of disputes that happen between the two parties, employers and employees. Okay, so let's understand these one by one. First we have interest dispute, which means it is basically related to wages, benefits and working condition. Right disputes, which is related to interpretation of laws and agreement. And individual disputes, basically concerns of a single employee. And in case of collective disputes, where conflicts involving a group of workers. Next we have methods of dispute resolution. So there are the four things that we need to understand. First we have conciliations, and second we have mediation, third we have arbitration, fourth we have adjudication. So let's understand these one by one. These terms are very important in case of industrial dispute. So first we have conciliation, where a neutral third party helps resolve disputes within the industry. And in case of mediation, a mediator suggests solution but they are not binding. And thirdly we have arbitration, where a neutral party makes a binding decision. And in case of adjudication, where a legal body like a labor court settles the dispute. So let's understand the grievance management thoroughly. Basically, the grievance management refers to handling the employee complaints related to workplace conditions, unfair treatment and violation of rights. These are the steps in grievance handling. First we have to identification of grievance. After that, investigate the grievance thoroughly, and hearing and discussion should be there after investigation, and after discussion resolution and implementation should be there. So these are the steps in handling the grievance. Next topic we have labor welfare and social security. Basically, labor welfare refers to initiative taken by employers or the government to improve employees' well-being. In case of labor welfare, there are the two parties. Firstly, we have employers, and second, we have government. Okay, so next we have the types of labor welfare measures. There are the two types. First, we have statutory welfare measures, where legal provisions such as working hours, health, and safety laws should be included under the statutory welfare measures. In case of non statutory welfare measures, where voluntary initiative like health camps, scholarship, and recreational facilities should be included in case of this one. Next, we have social security. Basically, in case of social security, provide the financial and medical facilities to workers to ensure their well-being. Those workers are working in the organization or in the industry. It's the responsibility of the organization to provide the financial as well as the medical facilities to the workers. Let's understand this social security with the help of examples. Okay, first we have ESI. So we can call it employee state insurance, which include the medical and cash benefits. And in case of EPF, employees provident fund, which is basically a retirement saving. And in case of maternity benefit act, where paid maternity leave should be included under this act. In case of workmen compensation act, where compensation for work related injuries. Next topic, we have trade unions and collective bargaining. Basically, a trade union is an organized group of workers that aim to protect and promote their rights and interests. These are the functions of trade union. Firstly, we have negotiating better wages and benefits, and secondly, ensuring job security and fair treatment, promoting worker welfare. So these are the functions of trade union. And let's understand the collective bargaining. And what is the meaning of collective bargaining? Basically, collective bargaining is the process of negotiation between the employers and trade union to determine wages, working condition, and other employment terms. In case of collective bargaining, there are the two parties. First one is the employers and the trade union. Okay, basically they negotiate in case of wages, working condition, and other employment terms. Next, we have stages of collective bargaining. So there are the four stages. First, we have preparation. Second, we have negotiation. After that, agreement. After that, implementation. So let's understand these stages one by one thoroughly. In case of preparation, there should be a gathering information and setting goals should be included in case of preparation. And in case of negotiation, discussion between the worker and management included in case of negotiation. And after negotiation, agreement should be there, where reaching a mutual decision. And after the agreement, implementation should be there. So these are the multiple choice questions based on the previous topics. So first question we have, what is the main objective of industrial relations? To promote conflict between worker and employees, to maintain peace and harmony in the workplace, to eliminate trade union, and to reduce employment opportunities. So right answer is B, to maintain peace and harmony in the workplace in case of industrial relations. Next question we have, which of the following is a method of resolving industrial disputes? Lockout, strikes, conciliation, boycott. So right answer is conciliation. Next question we have, what is the primary cause of industrial dispute? Employee loyalty, wage and salary, employer appreciation, job security. So right answer is wage and salary issues. Next question we have, what does the term grievance refers to in industrial relations? First option we have employee productivity, a complaint by an employer related to working condition, any recruitment policy, and the financial condition of the company. So right answer is B, the complaint by the employer related to working conditions. that comes under the grievance. In case of industrial relations, which of the following is a social security measure in India? Minimum Wages Act, Employer Provident Fund, Trade Union Act, Factories Act. So right answer is EPF, Employees Provident Fund. This question is already discussed in the previous slide. Okay, so next question we have: the primary purpose of labor welfare measure is to increase working hours, reduce wages, improve workers' well-being, avoid labor union. So right answer is C, improve workers' well-being. This is the primary purpose of labor welfare. Next question we have: which act governs trade union in India? So right answer is the Trade Union Act 1926. Next question we have: what is the first stage of collective bargaining? Agreement, negotiation, preparation, implementation. So right answer is C, preparation. So I already covered this question in the previous slide where I discussed the topic collective bargaining. Next question we have: which method of dispute resolution result in a legally binding decision? So we have option: mediation, conciliation, arbitration, collective bargaining. So right answer is C, arbitration. Next question we have: what is the main goal of the social security schemes? To reduce job opportunities, to provide financial and medical support to workers, to increase working hours, to promote prioritization. So right answer is B, to provide financial and medical support to workers. So this is the main goal of social security schemes. Next question we have: which of the following is not a type of industrial dispute? Interest dispute, right dispute, political dispute, collective dispute. So right answer is C, political dispute. What is a key function of trade union? Reducing wages, protecting workers' right, increasing workload, eliminating employment benefit. So right answer is B, protecting workers' right. Next question we have: which of the following is an informal method of resolving disputes? So right answer is D, mediation. Next question we have: what is the primary objective of collective bargaining? So right answer is B, negotiating wages and work conditions. Next question we have: which act governs industrial dispute in India? So right answer is B, the Industrial Dispute Act 1947. Which type of welfare measure is mandatory by law? So right answer is A. Next question we have: what is a measure tool used by trade union to pressurize employers? So right answer is B, strikes. Which of the following is not a cause of industrial dispute? So right answer is C, employee promotion. Next question we have: the Industrial Dispute Act 1947 provides for the resolution of dispute through conciliation, arbitration, adjudication. Next question we have: which of the following is an example of unfair labor practice? So right answer is C, victimization workers for participating in trade union activities. Next question we have: what is the primary aim of labor welfare measures? So right answer is C, to improve the quality of life of workers. Next question we have: which of the following is a method of voluntary dispute resolution? So right answer is arbitration. Next question we have: Employee State Insurance ESI Employee Act provide benefit for medical and cash benefits for employees. Next question we have: what is the minimum number of members required to form a trade union in India? So right answer is 10. Which type of collective bargaining aim at improving the relationship between workers and employees? So right answer is B, integrative bargaining. Next question we have: the type of strike is a part of which fundamental right in India? So right answer is B, right to freedom of association. Next question we have: which body is responsible for enforcing social security schemes in India? So right answer is B, EPFO, Employees Provident Fund Organization. Which of the following is not a function of trade union? So right answer is increasing unemployment rates. Next question we have, under which act is a minimum wage determined in India? So right answer is Minimum Wages Act 1948. Next question we have, which of the following is a tool used by employers to counteract strikes? So right answer is lockout. Which of the following is a principle of good industrial relations? So right answer is B, promoting open communication between employers and employees. Next question we have, the main objective of the Factories Act 1948 is to, so right answer is A, regulate the working condition of factory workers. Next question we have, the process of dispute settlement by a third party with a legally binding decision is known as, so right answer is C, arbitration. Which of the following is not a feature of collective bargaining? So right answer is D, it excludes trade union. Next question we have, which of the following is a statutory social security measure in India? So right answer is A. Which what is the key purpose of the payment of gratitude gratuity Act 1972? So right answer is B, to provide financial compensation of employees after retirement of termination. Which of the following statement about trade union is true? So right answer is C, trade union negotiate for better wages and working conditions. Next question we have, the Industrial Employment Standing Order Act 1946 regulates, the right answer is B, condition of employment and discipline in industrial establishments. Which of the following social security scheme is aimed at providing insurance to unorganized sector workers? So right answer is D, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Next question we have, which government body regulates industrial relations in India? So right answer is Ministry of Labor and Employment. So this is all about for the today's video. Thank you so much. If you like this video, then do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a nice day. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep signing.